Hello everyone, this is Binary Trending channel and today sharing a 1-minute strategy for pocket option. The link to pocket option is in the video description, including the link to our Telegram binary signals. To set up your account for this strategy, set your candle time frame to 30 seconds and your trade expiry time to 1 minute and add the following indicators as on the screen. First indicator is the moving average with period 20 and type WMA. The next indicator is the stochastic oscillator with K period 14 and the D period is not used. The smoothing period 4 and the overbought line is set at 82 and oversold line at 13. The awesome oscillator is the last indicator and it is used with its default settings and it will help to determine the momentum in the market. Placing trades with the 1-minute strategy follows simple and easy entry conditions, and if you follow them you will make profit, but note that you won't win every trade and you will need a money management plan as well. As on the screen, when the stochastic oscillator leaves the overbought condition downward and the awesome oscillator is indicating a downward momentum as the candles are red going downward, then it gives a good sell signal. If you want to receive binary option signals daily, then click on the Telegram signal link in the video description and join for free. Also create your account with the pocket option link in the video description and earn with us daily, all for free. Put option trades closed with absolute profit. Here is a call option trade entry point and it's not the initial entry for call option trades. But I am going to explain all possible entry that will earn you profit in this video tutorial. When the stochastic oscillator crosses the overbought line downward and cross back upward without going to the oversold condition, it indicates the start of a trending market upward, and the awesome oscillator indicates a strong momentum upward after it was going downward, confirming the trend for call option trades. Let's wait for the market to play out. The trade closed with profit. Great. Here the stochastic oscillator is at the overbought condition. Although the awesome oscillator indicates a strong momentum upward, I think the market will pull back for at least 1 minute before the upward trend continues. Let's wait for the trade to play out. The upward momentum was strong and the market did not pull back downward as I forecasted to, and the trade closed with a loss. Here is a good moment for call option trades as the stochastic oscillator is at the overbought line, but the awesome oscillator still indicates a strong upward momentum, which means the market will still go upward, giving room for the call option trades to close with profit. When the candles are above the moving average, it indicates the market is in upward trend, and when the candles are below the moving average, then the market is in a downward trend. All the call option trades closed with absolute profit. This is a good moment for put option trades, as the momentum upward has reached its peak level and will have to pull back before the upward trend can continue. Also, the stochastic oscillator is in the overbought condition, indicating the market can pull back anytime, and I'm sure 1 minute will be enough for the trades. Let's wait for the trades to play out. The trades closed with profit and the entry point was great. This entry point is great as the market is pulling back upward after a strong downward momentum have been driving the market downward. The entry point is at a support level and the market will sure respect the level, and stochastic oscillator is leaving the oversold condition upward, confirming the entry point for trades. The trades closed with absolute profit, great. Here is a good call option entry point for trades. The trades played out great. This is all for today's video tutorial, and don't forget to like and comment your questions. If you are new to the channel, then subscribe and turn on the notifications bell icon and you won't miss out on our new videos and updates.